Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through simple sentences, making it easier for you to remember vocabulary and verbs within a context. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, she is getting ready for the party. Say, היא מתכוננת למסיבה. she מתכוננת is getting ready למסיבה, for the party. To say, he is doing laundry. Say, הוא עושה כביסה. he עושה is doing כביסה, laundry. To say, I am playing at the park. As a male, say, אני משחק בפארק. I משחק, am playing בפארק, in the park. And as a female, say, אני משחקת בפארק. To say, she is taking care of the children. Say, היא מטפלת בילדים. she מטפלת is taking care בילדים, of the children. To say, he receives a salary. Say, הוא מקבל שכר. he מקבל receives שכר, a salary. To say, I am bringing things from the store. As a male, say, אני מביא דברים מהחנות. I מביא, am bringing דברים, things, מהחנות, from the store. And if you're a female, say, אני מביאה דברים מהחנות. To say, she is doing exercises at home. Say, היא עושה תרגילים בבית. she עושה is doing תרגילים, exercises בבית, at home. To say, he is buying a gift for a male friend. Say, הוא קונה מתנה לחבר. he קונה is buying מתנה, a gift, לחבר, for a friend. To say, I need help with the question. As a male, say, אני צריך עזרה עם שאלה. I צריך, need, עזרה, help, עם, with, שאלה, a question. And if you're a female, say, אני צריכה עזרה עם שאלה. אני צריכה עזרה עם שאלה. To say, she is asking what's happening. Say, היא שואלת מה קורה. she שואלת is asking מה, what, קורה, is happening. To say, he is parking the car. Say, הוא מחנה את המכונית. he מחנה is parking את the המכונית, the car. To say, I am cooking dinner. As a male, say, אני מבשל ארוחת ערב. I מבשל, am cooking ארוחת ערב, dinner. To say she is arriving at the event, say היא מגיעה לאירוע. she מגיעה is arriving לאירוע, to the event. To say he is apologizing for the mistake, say הוא מתנצל על הטעות. he מתנצל is apologizing on הטעות, the mistake. To say I am making hot chocolate, as a male, say אני מכין שוקו חם. I מכין, am making שוקו, hot chocolate, חם, hot. And as a female, say אני מכינה שוקו חם. To say she is turning off the lights, say היא מכבה את האורות. she מכבה is turning off את האורות, the lights. To say he enters the school, say הוא נכנס לבית הספר. he נכנס, enters לבית הספר, to the school. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.